Can you give me some tips for that?
Of course. So, to speed up your progress, I'd focus on daily short conversations with ChatGPT, just like this, covering everyday topics. Also, listen to English podcasts or
I wasted my time trying to learn English, but then I used ChatGPT and I improved my English 10x faster in just a days. Want to know how? I tried everything: grammar books, YouTube videos, social media, and everything, even in online classes. But still, I could not speak English fluently and confidently. Then I discovered one tool that completely changed everything: ChatGPT. Hello everybody, welcome to English with Vidya. I hope you people doing well, fit and fine and great and learning this language in a great way. So friends, today I will show you that how I used to practice English speaking with ChatGPT and how you can also learn English by using ChatGPT. Yes, and definitely this experiences changed my everything to speak English fluently and confidently. So friends, this built my confidence in 100x. You can you can't think that. So friends, today I will show you how I used to practice with ChatGPT and how you can also start your English speaking with a ChatGPT. So friends, today I have a phone and I will show you that how I used to practice with ChatGPT to English speaking practice. So let's start the video without any further delay. And if you like this video, like, subscribe and share. And at the end of this video, I will tell you the secret one. Then you can also use it for you can definitely become fluent in English if you use it. Okay, so let's start this video without any further delay. I started talking with ChatGPT without any hesitation, without any fear. You can also too. So today I will try to speak. I will show you that how I practice like I am using English talking to ChatGPT like a real person. Okay, so just I talk with ChatGPT that first I type that talk to me in English like a friend and correct my mistakes also. Okay, so here first of all you can also here you can go and then you can see in here when you write here the chat and the right side there is a black. Okay, so we will talk here. So wait for some time. Talk to me in English like a friend and correct my mistakes also.
absolutely. Just speak to me naturally like you would with a friend, and I'll gently point out any small mistakes or areas we can improve. So, whenever you're ready, just start talking, and I'll help you along the way.
So first of all, I want to know that if anyone a beginner, so how they can start English speaking at home without any partner, alone at home.
That was really clear. Just a tiny adjustment. Instead of saying, so how they can start, you could say, so how can they start? So it would be, first of all, I want to know that if anyone is a beginner, how can they start speaking English at home, alone, without any partner? But overall, that was great.
Yeah, absolutely. So I want to ask you that if anyone want to start English speaking journey and if anyone a beginner, so how they can start their English speaking journey by using Chat GPT, how they can learn English by practicing with you.
That was really good. Just a small tweak. Instead of if anyone have a beginner, you could say if anyone is a beginner. So it would be if anyone wants to start their English speaking journey, and if they are a beginner, how can they use ChatGPT to practice and improve their English with me? But overall, you're doing really well.
Oh, thank you for so much. If I want to become a fluent in English in just a days, so which type of practice I did? If so, then I can become a fluent in just a 10x in
You're
days.
Ah, yes, just a small fix. Instead of saying in just a days, you can say in just a few days. So your question would be, if I want to become fluent in English in just a few days, what kind of practice should I do so I can improve 10x faster? And I can give you some specific practice tips for that.
Yes, can you give me some tips for that?
Of course. So to speed up your progress, I'd focus on daily short conversations with ChatGPT, just like this, covering everyday topics. Also, listen to English podcasts or watch shows for at least 30 minutes a day. And finally, practice thinking in English. Just narrate what you're doing or planning in your head. That repetition will really boost your fluency.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for your suggestion, and I really like you, and that you correct my mistakes. That where I make mistakes, I made a lot of mistakes, but you correct my mistakes. So thank you for that. And just I'm quitting, and my video should be completed. So friends, you can also learn English by watching, by listening, by practicing with this AI chat GPT. So this helps you to build your confidence, to build your fluency, just like me. So start English speaking practice with chat GPT. This build you very fluent in English. Yes, am I absolutely right?
Yes, that was really nice. Just a couple of tiny tweaks for flow. Instead of I made a lot of mistakes, you can say I made a few mistakes just to keep it a bit smoother. And at the end, you can say this will help you build confidence and fluency just like me. But honestly, that was really great. You're sounding so much more confident.
So friend, just as you see that this is really works, and you can apply this method to learn English, to practice English, to listening practice, to speaking with chat GPT and improve yourself every day. This is very encouraging and clear way to speak English fluently and confidently. This will completely change everything. You don't need to learn too much grammar or something, so you can start English speaking by practicing with chat gpt is the now AI is become so much, so you can start English with chat gpt. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching this video until the end. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to click the bell icons at all. So thank you so much. Bye bye.